Hi, I'm Tony Guthrie, and I'm the owner of Kleaneasy Quality Carpet and Rug Cleaning. Welcome to my home office. Just relaxing here today, making this video for you. Now, I'm a small business owner here in the Huntsville, Madison area, and I know that probably is encouraging to you because a lot of people in this area like to support the local business owners. Probably the majority of my customers have contacted me simply because I'm an independent, not a large national franchise. Nothing wrong with the national franchises, but there is a place for the small independent owner. And what I want to do is simply introduce you to our luxury rug cleaning process. We've just started cleaning area rugs in our home facility, our in-plant, our luxury spa that we've been working on. Now, we've been cleaning rugs ever since the 1980s, but we've typically done what's called a top-down approach inside the customer's homes. And that's a good process. It makes them look good, but it's not a deep, thorough cleaning. It's the in-spa luxury shampoo approach is what's going to get your carpet as clean and as fresh and as looking brand new as possible. So take the next few moments and just look at the process that I use and that we use as a company. And if it's time for you to have your area rugs cleaned, your luxury, expensive rugs that you love so much, and have them taken care of by someone who's been in the business since the 1980s, since Ronald Reagan was president, then call us at 256-886-9100. You can call or you can text and say, hey, I'd like to talk to you about your rug cleaning. And I'll get back to you, or I'll take your call and we'll get you on the schedule and we'll do a great job for you. We'll guarantee our work. We'll stand behind it. And I guarantee you won't have a better cleaning service experience than you will have with Kleaneasy Quality Carpet and Rug Cleaning. Thank you for watching for the next few moments. Okay, the first thing that we do is we roll out the rug and then we begin to vacuum both sides. It's critically important that we begin on the bottom side because this is where a lot of dried particulates can be found, and a lot of those work their way up into the backing and into the top fibers. So we use a very powerful vacuum to slowly go over the entire back side. And this is not something that we rush, by the way. We actually go over it several times in both directions because we want to make sure that we get, again, as much as that dry particulate off. Now you'll see here that I'm pointing out some urine stains, and we're going to address those on this particular rug so we can see that on the back side, so we take care of that. Then what we do is we flip the rug over, and as we do that, we're going to get the top exposed, of course, and then we're going to vacuum the top as well. Once the carpet is vacuumed on the top and the bottom, we're going to do an inspection of the carpet using our UV light, trying to find any urine stains or organic stains. And then once we find those, we're going to mark them and start treating them with a special cleaner that's designed especially for this type of rug. And we're going to pour it on first, and then we're going to come back and spray an extra heavy layer of it, particularly on those spots that we know. And then what we're going to do is spray the entire top area and the bottom area, because the idea is to get this spray down into the carpet fibers. So we spray it on extremely heavy, as you see here at the top, and we're flipping it over here to do the bottom as well. Again, just putting it on there very, very heavily so that it can start beginning to absorb into the carpet fibers and into the backing of the rug. It's a very tedious process, but it's also very thorough. Then we take a weighted roller and go over the carpet in order to push those cleaning solutions down deep into the fibers so they can start breaking down the molecules. And then the fun part is when we actually begin to do our luxury shampoo. We use a counter rotating brush which scrubs the solution deep into the fibers from both directions, from the front, the back, both sides. We go both directions, and you can see how thorough it is. And then of course we rinse it out with a rinsing tool which really flushes the carpet out. I mean, this is, again, part of the fun. It's fun to watch all of this dirt go shooting out of there even after we've scrubbed it with the cleaning solution. But we use this tool to just pour a ton of water in there and give it a real thorough flush. And you can see the dirt coming out and accumulating around the sides of it. And that's a lot of dirt. And this particular rug wasn't actually that dirty. And then what we do is we take an extraction tool, a carpet cleaning wand, an extraction tool, and we begin to extract out the heavy amounts of water and any additional cleaning fluids after we apply a rinsing agent on there to make sure that we get out all the residues and break down all the cleaning solutions that we used. And so we take our time to make sure that we get it heavily extracted to get as much of the water and moisture out as we possibly can. We typically get out about 80% of all of the moisture so that it's going to help our drying time. So then what we do is we either hang it up to let it dry, or we lay it out flat on these grates and put these air movers under them in order to get them thoroughly dry. And this usually takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, and then we'll contact you and let you come and get them, or we'll bring them back to you.